Hello everyone. We will set up a CC plus compiler and one ID of Visual Studio Code. So how we are going to set up? Let's see. So first we will install a MinGW compiler, and after that we will set the environment variable for that, and then we will install Visual Studio Code, and two extensions are required to compile and run the code in Visual Studio Codes. So how we will get a MinGW compiler? So MinGW compiler, open Chrome and type. So the first one, open, and from here you can see a download button. From here you can download. You can save it into the downloads. Okay, go to downloads and start. Now download is in progress. Wait for some time. So here we can see that download. We have to click on continue. Now window will be open like this. You click here and mark for installation. Okay, mark for installation for MinGW32 base and ARDA Fortran and Objective C also. Okay, after this you have to go to the installation and click apply changes. Apply. It will download all the packages which we have marked here. It is installing all the packages which we have marked down. Actually it will take some time. We will skip it and wait for some time. Packages are being downloaded. Installation is being done. So here we can see that all changes were applied successfully. You may now close this dialog box. So we will close it here, and here we can see that everything is installed. So let's open the terminal and check. uh, I hope it will give some error. Yes, G++ is not being recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. This is just because of we have not set environment variable So just open environment variables. So first go to the MinGW and bin folder. Just copy this path. Okay. Once you have copied, go to the environment variables. Okay. And here you can see the path. Just go to the edit and just paste it over here. Okay. Okay. Click here and okay. Now reopen the terminal. Okay. Now type g++ minus minus version. Now after setting the environment variable, now you can see that it is being recognized as g++ something something version it is coming. So MinGW compiler is successfully installed and already set up. Okay, now we will install Visual Studio Code. So go back to the browser and type VSCode. Just open it, click downloads, go to the Windows. Okay, now download it here. Okay, it is downloading. Just wait for some time. I think it will take some time, so cancel it. I have already downloaded it, so you can complete this download in your system. I'm not going to download because it is taking time. So I have another version which I have already downloaded. Just I'm going to install that. Just I accept the agreement. Next, next. Okay. Just installing it. So installation is done. So we have installed the Visual Studio Code. Okay. So this is a welcome page. Close it. Okay. Just create a one folder, codes. Okay. Select folder. Okay. Now this folder which I have created in here is open in VSCode. Now we are going to add a file. Let's say name it hello.c. For C language, we are going to give the extension C, and for the C++, we will give the extension CPP. So once you see that I have created a file, it is recommending some extension to be installed. Which one is this? C++ by Microsoft. Okay, extension from Microsoft. Just click install. It will start installing. Just wait for some time. It is installing. It is installed. Okay. So one extension is installed. I need one more, which is code runner. So just type code runner. Yeah, this one. Oh, this one. So click install. Okay, it is installed now. So let's write the first program. So I'm going to print my name. Okay, so this is a program which I am going to run. This will print Abhishek Rai. So run it. So run this code. It is running now. The output is Abhishek Rai. Thank you.